Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to connect to a web server. So before you do that, what you've got to do is you've got to import this line here, and this is a module, so you'll have to install it through pip. Okay, so it's simply pip and then this LWP user agent, and you should be able to install it easily like that. Okay, so I'm going to create a subroutine called connect server. Right, so we're going to create a user agent here. So that's going to be my scalar user agent. I'm going to assign it to LWP user agent and new. So we're creating a new instance of user agent there. Okay, so now we're going to print a message to the user to tell them what to do. URL to connect. We're going to create some standard input here using chomp, and that's going to be I'm going to call it URL, scale URL, assign it to standard input, which will get the user input when they type it in there. So that's going to be the URL for the site that you want to connect to, and then we're going to do my scalar response. And we'll assign that to scalar user agent get. So we'll get the information from the URL. We'll come on to the conditional here. So if the response is success, so once we've queried it and if it's a success, we're going to do something. I'm going to tell the user that it was a success. Print success. And a new line, and underneath that we're going to print content here and a new line, and then we're going to join it together, scalar response, decoded content, okay, or else if it wasn't a success, I'm just going to simply tell the user by printing them an error message basically. So print failed to connect to web server, and a new line there. Okay, right, I'll just save that there, and all we have to do at the bottom is to call this connect server. Hopefully we won't have made any typos or anything like that. I'll save that again. Let's run it. Okay, so I'm going to connect to a URL here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use example.com. So that's https example.com, hit enter, and there you go. It's downloaded all the information for us. So there you go, everybody. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give it one of those, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.